Hey guys, welcome back to Funmi'sJoint. It's your girl again with another recipe. Hey, recipe. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back again, guys. Hope you don't miss me too much. You know, hope you did not. So today, guess what we are making? Anyways, we're going to be making Eforiro. You know, this kind of effort that have gone to prison, but you know, unto say we got send it to the other jail too. So we're going to be sending some to another prison of consumption. So that's what we're going to be doing. That's running up to $50. And it's like a really easy one. 3 minutes, you're done, like with the whole eba and everything, or whatever you're using to eat the soup, like you're done cooking. That's just how fast it is. I love it for you because it's delicious, and it's just those effort that are thick, that have all the corner. You cannot even, there's no soup in it. There's me. Your brain, you're sharp. That's the kind of effort I'm talking about. Oh yeah, now so you can learn the recipe now. Click continue watching this video, and don't forget guys to like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also put on the notification button so you can be the first to see my video. Okay, I love you guys, and don't forget to follow me on social media too. Everything, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, what is it called, Snapchat. Follow me there. Get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna see you guys next time. I love you guys. T10, still pretty, still looking gorgeous, still looking lit, like your pot of soup be lit. See you guys next time. Okay, my people, welcome back. So I'm going to be using palm oil, which some of you know as red oil. So I'm going to be using some of it. And in case you don't want red oil, maybe you can't eat it due to, you know, health issues and stuff, you can let me know. I'm gonna make a video about oilless vegetables soon. You guys get to see that too. So more reason why you subscribe, so you get to see my video first. Okay, so I'm going to bleach these bad guys, you know, just cover it so they in the smoke everywhere in the house. And I'm adding chopped onions, roughly chopped as usual. Okay, can this should let me a just yeah, I have a blended pepper. Inside there we have a which some of you know as scotch bonnet. I have onions, I have bell pepper in there, roughly blended. You know, I'm just gonna be trying this bad guy in. And yeah, I have medium crayfish. I call it medium size crayfish. You know, it's not the big size and it's not the blended one. That's what I know as like the smallest one. So yeah, we're going to be using crayfish. And also I have assorted meat here. Inside this one I've got pommon, calf skin, and I have shaki, which some of you know as tribe. And I also have cow foot. Cow foot. Yes, everything is gonna go in. Yes. I feel like slapping this kid. Shh, don't tell anybody, okay? They just deserve slap. I'm gonna be adding smoked fish. This guy, you know, I would do a raw mackerel, you know, just slap some salt on it, throw it in the oven, bring it out when it's dry, and you'll use it for your soup or drink garri with it. That's all we have. So I'm just using this guy, stir it, roll it in. And now to make sure it's done, I'm going to be adding the rest of my crayfish because I want more. And I'm going to be adding seasoning cubes inside this guy. We have 2 cubes in them. In this one we have 2 cubes, and I'm just going to be using everything. And I'm also going to be using sea salt. So after covering it for a while and just let it cook about like 2-3 minutes ish, and we have this chocolate. So there's not enough seasoning for me. I'm just going to be adding extra 2 cubes in that one pack. There are 2 cubes in it, so like I said earlier, I'm just going to be adding that and extra salt. I'm going to be adding extra salt to it. Stir together, cover it, and let it go to another level. So we're back, guys, and here we have it. This bad guy is ready. Oh, I forgot my locust bean, so I'm just going to be adding extra. Not extra, I'm gonna be adding locust bean. I forgot. So these are frozen spinach. I got these guys from African Superstore and Sure, and yeah, they're pretty cheap, to be honest. Yeah. Here we go. Vegetable soup is ready for consumption. Shall we go back to another trip? You know what I'm saying? Yes, Lord. Okay, Lagoschop. Yeah, we have our vegetable soup ready. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Put that thumbs up and share it. Subscribe. Love you guys. Take care. Have fun. See ya next time. Bye.